So now we will discuss the Azure Service Bus Trigger. A serverless function is triggered by messages in Azure Service Bus, a powerful message broker. It's a message broker for microservices communication. So we will see this in detail. So a Azure Service Bus have two model. One is quiz and the other one is the topic. The quiz one-to-one relationship where a single receiver process each request. They ensure reliable order delivery and are great for decoupling application and buffering messages. So we will see this in practically. And the other one is the topics which work on the publisher subscriber pattern. It handle one-to-many relationship where a single message can be delivered by multiple subscriber. They are used for complex workflow where different services need to be react to same event. And the topic can also be filtered to route specific messages to for the specific subscriber. So if I go to the portal, you can see here this is our resource, and I created this resource for this course. And here you can see here I have one is a service bus namespace called car share service bus. When I open this service bus, you can see here this we have entity, we have quiz and topic. So this is the two model I'm talking in this slide. So we have two one-to-one relationship, and the other one is work on the one-to-many publisher subscriber patterns. And this is the next slide is Azure Service Bus Trigger benefit. It's a reliable, secure, and we can do integration easily. It's very flexible, and about the cost queue are generally cheaper than the topic. So we will see this as well. The topic, if you want to use the queue only, so you can use the basic with basic subscription as well. But if you want to do both the queue and the topic, you will need a extended and premium package. You cannot do a topic with the free version. So choose the model that fit for your need to manage the cost. And next is the apart from the Azure service, we can use the other option as well, like Kafka and RabbitMQ. If you are working inside the Azure environment, so the Azure Service Bus is a great choice. And if you have like massive amount of data, like data streams, so you can use the Kafka, and you can also use the RabbitMQ, and it's easy to use and highly flexible, and it's a lightweight, and it make very versatile options as well. So this is some other option you can consider while working with the messages bus, message broker. And in our code example, we have one scenario when a user search for a car, a message is sent to a service bus topic named car seeker request. Like the purpose of the topic, a topic used because multiple microservices like the route planner, the notification service, and need to react to the same cars, the same event. So for this we will create the dedicated Azure function to monitor. So if I go to the code, Visual Studio, there is one Azure function, route planner, and we have one car seeking class, and we have one function. And you can see here that this is the SQL based trigger, and this is the topic, this is the topic, and the other one is the subscription name. We will see this topic and subscription name from where you can get this. And this is the messages. You can receive the messages. For example, I'm receiving this message, and I'm getting the message and ID, message body, and message content. And the other one is the service bus message action. Whenever it mark the message, like when it's successfully processed, it remove from the queue. So this is needed to complete the message. And you will go to the we will go to the Azure portal. So this is our resource, and here I created one. You will create one Azure bus, and if I duplicate, how you will find out the Azure bus, Azure service bus. So you will go to the home page, and you will search for the Azure bus, and you will find out the Azure bus, and you will create. Once you create, you will have these two model. So for this example, I will use the topic because the subscriber will be multiple in our case, so I will use this. So the first thing, you will create one topic. So you will give name to the topic. So for in our case, we have a car seeking request according to our code. You can see here this is the topic name, so I will use the same topic name in the portal as well while creating the topic. You will just give name and hit the create, so you will see this in the list. Once you have this in the list, you will click, and you will create one subscriber. You can see here on the left side I have one entity subscription, And you can see here I have only a route subscription. If I go to the code, I have a route, and you will create subscription, you will give name, and you will see you will just give name and create. So but I already have created and the subscription, so I will not create it again. So now uh, the other thing, you will use the explorer to send a message. For example, this is our Azure function. Here is the local app setting. This is the connection string of the car share bus. So you can get this from the you will go to the, when you create the bus, you will get this connection. So you can see here in the left side I have setting. Under setting we have share access policy, and this is the default route, and when you click, you will get the connection string. So you will get this primary connection string. This is needed, and you will put it in this in this setting. So once you get, you can now run the application. Now I will run the route planner. So now it's run, car seeker is run. Now I will send one message from the portal. You can use other tool as well to send a message, like you can create the C# console application, and for now I will use the same Azure portal. So now I will go to the topic, and I will click on that topic. Now you can see on the left side, you can see the Service Bus Explorer. Now I will click the Explorer. And now you can see here the send message option here. So I will click, and here I will write some message. Service Bus Explorer. So now I will sending completed. Now you can see here it's automatically triggered, and we can get all the information inside the message. So this is the message ID, the message body, hello from the Service Bus Explorer, and this is all about the how you can receive the information. So this is all about, you can see here, this is all the information, the message ID, body, and this is the content, and this is all about the Azure bus. Now, so this is the example I already discussed. We have a route planner that will decide the route, and this is the step. You will go to the portal, you will search for the Azure bus, and you will create a namespace, and you will change. You will go to the shared policy. You will get the connection string, and you will get the primary connection string, and you will paste in the local.json. And here is the code walkthrough. I already explained the request and the route, and triggering logic. I already explained. When a message is sent to the car seeker request topic with the label of the route, the function is automatically invoked. It receives the message as a service bus receive message object, and the other one is to make the message complete, you will use the other object. And this is the message handling. Azure function is automatically triggered when a message is sent. I already show in the demo. And this is the message clearance. Once the message is successfully processed and completed by Azure function, it automatically removed from the bus. Also we can also do the message retention. If the function is not running, the service bus will retain the message according to the retention setting inside the Azure portal. And this is the end of this session. I have one question for you. What are the benefit and concern associated with using Cosmos DB trigger in the Azure function? So this is your assignment. So see you in the next video.